Hey y'all, coming to you from the ScottieDTV You Can't Cancel Cool Road Tour 2020. And today we're in Waseca, Illinois at Nichols Paint and Fab. And Justin and Nichols, they're the two owners of the shop. You may know them from the show Wrenched. But anyways, you know I'm all about the girl power. And Megan got into doing, she does a lot around the shop. She builds on these cars, but she also does some really cool bead rolling I think you all want to see. So let me get the camera turned around, we'll check it out. I am such a fan. I mean, I am just the biggest fan of, I like airbrush, and I like this creative bead rolling. And I like it all, you know what I'm saying? I mean, when it comes to custom stuff, I'm down. Metal Maegan, she can do it. And I was going to do an interview with her, but, I spent time talking to her about it, and, yeah, she didn't seem to think that it was any big deal. And it's a machine, you learn how to use it, voila, you draw a picture on it, and bing, bang, walla, bang, I got it on the wall, So, I mean, it's more than that, all right? I mean, I'll have a link to her Facebook page, and wait till the end of the video, and I'll have a picture of her logo so you can see how she spells her company name. She's Justin Nichols' wife, and so when I was in town on the ScottieDTV You Can't Cancel Cool Road Tour 2020, visiting Nichols Paint and Fab, this was something I was hounding her about. I'm like, Megan, I want to do a bead roll video. Because ever since she started doing it, I have just, I got a gazillion ideas, thank goodness. If I didn't have money, I'd have her. If I had money, if I had money, I'd have her on payroll, just making bead rolling me cool stuff I come up with. And so, yeah, now she was down. She had this this sheet of, aluminum, I guess. And she said she'd be willing to do it. And it's just amazing. All these craftsmen amaze me. And they're all, especially when you want to talk about their personal abilities, they all shut down on that because, they don't, most of them, at least the ones I hang with, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying there's not ones out there with big egos. There are, they all have some level of ego, but, man, it's just amazing to me what they can do. You can take a flat piece of metal and, that is harder than it looks also. I will tell you that. I know, there's people out there that are like, oh, no big deal. And hey, listen, that end thing that's on there, there's like, 100 of those to choose from. So you got to get that right so it looks right. And sure enough, anybody could clamp it down and roll a line around. But look at the detail that she's able to reproduce with a bead roll. And go to her Facebook page, because there's a lot of photos there. And, the video, I was going to put photos in, but I was so entrenched in watching the video and editing that, I was like, I don't know if I want to interrupt it with, shooting pictures in on them. I just want to watch her work. I almost put it to music, but, I'd have people complaining. And not only that, if I put it to music, I couldn't have bragged about how big of a fan I am of Metal Maegan. I just say, the Nichols period are just cool people. I've known them for a few years, met them in Louisville. They build way cool hot rods. She's out there getting her hands dirty just like everybody else. And then she has this. And then they have a CNC machine or a water jet. Yeah, they have a water jet. And they do some art stuff with that too. So make sure you get by their Facebook page or their website. Nichols Paint and Fab out of Waseca, Illinois. Good folks. They had a TV show, Wrenched. You might recognize Megan from being on TV. They had a TV show for a couple of years. Man, that is cool. Who's not a fan of Yosemite Sam, too, on top of that? Man, just very cool. And I am all about the girl power. So If you're a female and you have interest in welding, or you have interest in bead rolling, or doing, you know, working in the custom field, listen, these shops will give you a shot just like anybody else. Come in there and, you know, don't overstate your abilities and be ready to learn. And like I said, all these shops are looking for good, hard-working employees. If that fits you, then any of these shops that you see me hanging out at, they're all looking for good employees. So there you go, from Metal Maegan and the ScottieDTV You Can't Cancel Cool Road Tour 2020. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.